Fable 5 is out, aka Claude Mythos, and people have been absolutely glazing its coding capabilities. So I had to try it out. In this video, I'm going to be trying to create a Mario style game, as well as a Call of Duty game, a 2D fighter like Street Fighter or Dragon Ball Z. But skeptical I am of AI nowadays, I don't know how good this is going to turn out. If I knew just how wrong I was about how good Fable 5 is, I wouldn't have just said those words. But getting started, we're gonna do the Mario style side scroller 2D side scroller game, and I'm just gonna ask Fable 5 to create the game. And after a while, it just went off and created it, and actually it took about a few minutes, 10 minutes to create this, and it one-shot this. It's called Bit Runner, and it almost looks like a ghostly game, and the graphics on here is insane. As you see, this doesn't look like your normal Game Boy Mario game. This looks like a more modern side-scroller 2D game, and it's absolutely amazing if you ask me. Look at this, this is crisp. Using the controls are very fluid, and I can actually attack the enemy. And I didn't even prompt this, but this game has 2 stages. So it can already just go from one level to a next. After I beat this level, I was able to go to this next level, bro. And you know what was absolutely crazy too? The second level, I'm able to actually get upgrades. So the first level, I was able to move and jump on enemies. On this level, bro, I was actually able to do dash attacks. So not only do I jump, but I can jump and dash. As well as the obstacles got a little bit more complex, where I couldn't even complete some of these obstacles if I didn't use the dash and jump, which means that Fable 5 knew that in order to get power-ups, the level will be more complex. So it, oh my goodness, it actually incorporated a mechanic that need to be used on that level, which is freaking 10,000 level IQ. All right, this is one game, but we'll see how the rest go. But this is crazy. But that's one example. We've seen other AIs one-shot a game before, but we're off to a good start. I'm not going to let this one example be the determining factor for if this AI is good or not. Let's go ahead and move this on to, well, another example. And another example is, well, Call of Duty. Because, well, Call of Duty is very popular and they have a new game coming out. But every year they have a new Call of Duty coming out. I wanted to see how well it can create a FPS, a first-person shooter. I did try this on other AI models and it didn't always go too well. But I asked Fable 5 to, well, create me a Call of Duty style first-person shooter. And let's see what it spits out. After some time has passed, Fable 5, aka Claude Mythos, spit out this game called Neon Siege. And I like that for whatever reason, the Mario style game in this game has similar color scheme, almost like Fable 5 or Claude is making me like a game studio that has color branding. And that's kind of crazy if you ask me, to pick that up and keep running with it. And geez, this looks like some type of Tron-esque game. Bro hopped off the bike and up the blick. Bro, this is crazy. Geez, I have so many people coming at me with these robots and stuff. But the movement is so fluid, man. Enemies jump me, I'm not gonna lie. But geez, look at the guns. Look at the freaking reflection, the light, the textures on this. This looks like a pretty good game. Definitely better than other games that AI has made before, I would say so. And this is a first-person shooter, even has that muzzle flash. This is getting a little scary. Fable 5, and mind you, this was one shot. I only prompted this once to get this game, and this is what we got. We're 2 out of 2. No, this can't be this good. You know what? New goal. By the end of this video, I'm going to try to see if I can break Fable 5 to see if it can finally not one-shot a game. Next up, we have a first-person shooter. We did a side-scroller game like Mario. Let's see how well it does something like a Street Fighter game. So you vibes, I crank that Fable 5 bars, and I put that thing on high, and I let it ride. The only thing different about this prompt is that I wanted to make a 2D stick fighter game just to see how well it actually pans out. And well, after I prompted it and gave it some time, it came back with, well, this game right here. And it's a 2D scroller game, and bro, we got dashes, bro. I'm zooming in. I got blocks. It's even Look, bro, this dude just ulted on me, bro. This dude just did a whole combo on me, bro. Dude was glitching. And this AI ain't no small fry, bro. The AI really got hands, though. Throwing that. Sheesh. I'm in the ring with AB. Bro, y'all seeing this, man? Got ultimate combos and stuff, bro. What is this, bro? And it hits. It feels so good to play this, too. It's not just a visually appealing game. And speaking of the visuals, what's up with Fable giving me this color scheme, bro? This red and blue Tron aesthetics. It's been on the Mario side-scroller game. It's been on that first-person shooter Call of Duty game. And it's on this one? Bro, this is a one-shot. They one-shot this again. What is going on, man? Fable 5 is something else, man. This may be the only AI I may ever need when it comes to coding. But it still didn't break. Let's try to up this one more. Street Fighter is pretty good and this is fun, but let's see what happens if I want to change this into not just a Street Fighter game, but more like Dragon Ball Z-esque game where I have like transformations, blast waves, and teleportation. I put that all onto Fable 5 and let's see what Claude can do. I put that thing on high. I put that Fable 5 and then a little bit we got this. And bro, I'm up here teleporting, dashing, and it looked really good, man. But guess what? I got it to break. It seems like there's a problem with the animation when I power up. And not only did I have a problem with it powering up, I tried to prompt it a few times and well, it ended up, well, freezing on me again on the power up. And I also ran out of credits. And also I ran out of usage for now. So I can't even finish it fixing itself because I don't even have enough usage left to use this. Well, I guess I'm going to have to wait till later on. And well, here is the finished game after I had Fable 5 actually fix all the bugs and I got more usage. As we see here, bro, I'm able to transform into a freaking Super Saiyan, bro, like Goku. Whole screen pauses. They do like Kamehameha waves, bro. What is going on? I got blast, I got key blast, I got waves, I got teleportation, bro. What is going on? Fable 5 is a 5 out of 5 for me. But I'm gonna be making some more games with this. Let me know in the comment section down below what kind of games you want me to make with this, because Fable 5 is cooking out here, man. This is crazy. I don't know if you want me to finish making a more high resolution Street Fighter / Dragon Ball Z with better character animations, or would you want me to make new games like a Minecraft or maybe even a Spider-Man? Either way, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you want to see more cool examples and other cool use cases with AI, you should definitely like and subscribe. With that being said, your boy Dex9 Dexter out.